Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create new notes on the Microsoft OneNote application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the sticky notes icon down below, which is the third option. After that, you should click on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen on the right side. And now, as you can see, you have this blank page, meaning that you can type in your new note. You have the chance to insert a photo down below, which is the first icon, the camera icon, or you can select formatting information down below. You can also change the color of your note, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.